In response to a surge in avian influenza cases affecting cattle, California Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency. The decision comes as the highly pathogenic H5N1 strain poses significant risks to livestock health and the agricultural economy. With cases reported across multiple counties, state officials are mobilizing resources to contain the outbreak and protect both animal and public health. The emergency declaration allows for expedited response measures, including increased surveillance and vaccination efforts. Farmers and ranchers are urged to monitor their herds closely and report any unusual symptoms. As the situation evolves, California aims to mitigate the impact of this outbreak on the livestock industry while safeguarding food security. The state's proactive stance highlights the urgent need for coordinated efforts to combat this pressing agricultural threat.